Hello. I didn't have the hindsight when I first was making this to realize that I should have been talking to the camera initially. This is what I have. That is a sodium bicarbonate solution that I'm pouring onto what is copper sulfate. That is what comes out of your battery when it erodes and, stuff starts coming out of it. As you can see, it's a very light blue color. I did a horrible job filming this, but I'm trying to showcase the reaction here between the sodium bicarbonate and the copper sulfate. So, uh, I just put these in, added a little bit more solution to it so that it was covered so that the reaction can happen while I go away and do other things for a little bit. And I believe here I am just trying to clean off a little bit more of it and trying to get all the unreacted little bits of it uh, reacted. Now here's the other side. This is the lead side of the lead acid battery. The main components of your lead acid battery are one lead, two a copper electrode, and three the acid, which is in the form of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Uh, and that reaction through inside the battery is what generates the electricity generated by the battery. So as you can see here, there's a reaction going on still with everything, just trying to get everything all reacted and cleaned off in this process. And so here's back to me. So, anyway, we're now here. Some time has passed. Throw that down. Take this off. I should have taken that one off first. Whatever. Give me something to stand on. Alright, so as we can see, I'll hold it up to there. As we can see, the first off, these guys look a lot better. You can see there's no blue except for a little bit on the sides there, and this guy is for the majority cleaned off too. Yeah, there's a little bit of residue that was on there. As you can see, this water has like obviously some like some gray, brownish gray coloration to it, and I'd say that's probably because of either probably a mixture of dirt, and I believe this would be the zinc side of the battery, so I'd assume that's what that is. Go ahead and get that out of the way. Now for this guy, I want to be careful with this. Alright. Now for this guy, you can clearly see there's a bright blue color to it. And so now that copper sulfide, CuSO4, has now become aqueous and gone into this liquid water. Actually, it wouldn't be that anymore, would it? Because it would become. Uh... So, what I was trying to say here was after introducing the sodium bicarbonate to the system, an ionic salt is created, copper carbonate, CuCO3, in addition to sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, which is on the screen currently, and it would be either one or both of these chemicals to create the blue color that we see here post reaction. With a little research, we know that it's the copper carbonate.
Let's see here. All right, all right. All the lights. Promising. And it turns over. And starts. There you go. Well, there you go.